All right, guys. I know it's a little late to this one, but we're in a nice, decent trade right now. Trying to see these highs can get hit right here. We just got done with the election. And we have a new president-elect, which is going to be Donald J. Trump. I think the people are happy about that. At least the stock market is showing that, it's pushing, making all, close to making, well, it's not close to making all-time highs. Let's get this close to here. Not close to making all-time highs, but it's been going higher so far. And I'll break down the reason why I'm in this trade in a second here. Let's just see if we can get to my target first of all. Let's do a sell limit of, let's do 6. That's a 7. I would like to see if we can punch up above these highs. At this point, I want to see this down close candle on the 5-minute chart to your left act as a reason to propel price higher. In fact, we have a fair value gap to the right of the chart on the 1-minute chart. Here. I'll break down this trade shortly here, but let's just watch if we can get a punch above these highs. Question depends how high can go. Let me try and measure how high we can go here. There we go. Nice punch in there. S&P 500 is not following routes. We need to see that. We need to see that continuously move. I think S&P 500 can catch up to. What happened? I thought we were streaming. Whatever. All right, so my streaming is not letting me stream today. However, I want to break down this trade. We're already up 16, about 1,700 on this trade, and already took 7 contracts off. What was the reason behind this trade? All right. So I'm going to break down this trade I took on Nasdaq right after the election. We're currently up 1,600. We're ready to close out almost half of the trade. We had 15 contracts on this position. Let's break this down. Okay. First of all, so 3 more. So first of all, let's look at. Uh, so let's look at the 5 minute chart first. All right. This line here is the midnight opening price. Price goes there, rejects it. Look very close right here. See this dotted line? This is where 9:30 open. So what we had price go higher and then drop all the way back down, taking out folks that were already in buys here. This run here took them out. So around below 9:30 opening, then we create a little swing low, drop into this 5 minute order block, and we take off. Take out these highs. And from a 1 minute perspective, going into the details here, it's pretty straightforward. Again, one lower, taking out these lows. And then what do you have? Look at this fair value gap here. If you draw that out, when price goes back above it, it uses as support. That's one indication. And it goes higher. Look at this fair value gap in here. Price drops there, uses as support. Look at this one here. So you can see the momentum of price is going higher using fair value gaps as support. So this is, again, we're up 8 contracts, 1,600. I think price can move up another 50 points. We're currently at 20,805. We'll see what we do here. But this is a trade taken right after election. There's a lot of bullish momentum for Trump winning this election. So let's see if we keep on riding that wave higher on the Nasdaq. Just a few moments ago, I made a video. Look at the time. 9:40 a.m. So this is just a few moments ago, I made a video where I was mentioning how I was going to see if I can ride a wave higher. However, we had a turn. So I already got my position. Now I'm selling this thing. So I'm playing ping pong here. Okay, we bought and sold. Now here's the logic. Everyone is riding the wave that Trump won. The markets are probably going to keep going higher. However, the way we have all of this liquidity here, there's a lot of liquidity here, meaning a lot of people bought in here. Even after they ran this lower, right, and price started going higher. Some people say, you know what, maybe I was wrong. Put my stop loss too early. I covered my position too early. I'll get back in. I think this market can still come all the way back down and knock these folks out. Because, again, it's just a lot of liquidity resting here. A lot of people are riding this bullish wave. And I start to see a breakdown in price. Because of that breakdown, this is on the 30-second chart. Because of that breakdown, I think and I believe we can then see a drop way lower to then upset those that are buying this based off of Trump winning the election. All right. So I'm in 7 contracts here for sales. I have to take 15 contracts up for buys. Let's see how this plays out. If we can get below these lows at 20,650. Okay, I'm still streaming. Guys, I did not stream the whole time. I had 2 different OBS studios. Sorry, I had 2 different OBS studios open, so I didn't realize this one was still going on. So I'm actually streaming. That's good. So you guys are seeing this live. You saw I flipped sides on this for sales. So that's actually a good thing. I didn't know you guys were still watching. I was just doing what I do in my little cage. Well, good. So, anyways, what I was saying, now I know you guys are I'm still streaming live. These lows here could get hit. Because if you think about it, now, what I'd like to see to make this even a stronger sell-off expected, this 5-minute candle needs to close outside 5-minute fair value gap. If we start rejecting that too much, then we could just keep going higher. Okay, so that's what I'm watching here. But what I like is that we ran lower, took out these lows here. So those that were buying initially got knocked out. And then they start pushing price up higher. And people are probably thinking, you know what? Trump won. People are excited about that. This could lead to a aggressive move higher for the day. That's the thought process in my mind. And another thing is when you run these highs, remember S&P 500 did not follow suit. So that typically tells me there could be a deeper retracement, which we've already seen so far. We have a deeper retracement, or a full-blown reversal, which will take out these lows. So I'm going for. I just want to see, what are we going to do? It could be a reversal. It could be a full-on. It could just be a retracement. But it would be interesting to see if they can take out these lows and actually upset those that just want to buy because Trump won the election. So that's what I'm watching for. If we get 40 points here, then I will just take something on the table. So here to here, this 5-minute fair value gap is about 40 points. So we have one right here. If we get down here, this will give us a decent 40-point move. I had no clue you guys were I was still streaming, so and below, which is good. All right, happy this is still working. For some reason, I can't. Usually, I stream and record. I don't know what's wrong with my hard drives. Not allowing me to record. Okay, so I like how we close on this 5-minute candle here. I like how we close outside this 5-minute fair value. So let's just see if we can continue moving lower. based on a 30-second chart. Again, another reason why I got into this trade, this is just too smooth. All right. And to me, it looks like they're just setting up folks to be happy with a stop loss here. I know this consolidation used to run out liquidity, but this just looks too clean, like too clean. And that's why I was even inclined, because I understood my memory. I remember, or I saw when we were going higher, the way we just were smooth down here made me feel uncomfortable. And now they've done the damage on those that are were selling this or whatever by running higher, taking liquidity. They could perhaps then go lower and then take out those that were buying this here. So see if we can get that. Got any aggressive punch higher? And I'll be out this one. I don't really care. Already had a winning day so far. Notice this one I'm in with 7 contracts, so half of what I usually go anyway. Usually I go in like 15, sometimes 10. I don't want to see us. We start overlapping this 5 minute fair value gap here to the left, and it's problematic for me. I'll just stay out of the way. I got to dip in 10 minutes anyways. Just what if this thing goes all the way? Okay, so now that's our 40 points right there. Phone. That's why it's good to set limits. You can tell Parma just wants to hold this thing for a bigger move lower. But this that alone was the move. From here to this fair value gap is a move. But I just think there's a lot of sentiment. Like people are literally going nuts right now in the market. So I would think they're just gonna knock out buy side and sell side all day long. Just because Trump just won, everyone's like, I'm bullish. So I really think we could get a run here. I think so. I can feel it. What is this green area again? It's a daily level. 720. Is that a daily level? Just double check. It should be a daily level. That's fair value gap high. Do this. A lot of liquidity there, in my opinion. Slows right here. So what this green line is actually a daily fair value gap high. Let's watch this 5-minute candle, see if it wants to slice through here. It just takes something off just because it's dancing around that level too much. Okay, now we go. There we go. I want to see it slide through. I don't want it to dance around this green line here. It's a daily fair value gap high. From this green line derives from the daily chart. I like this so far. Let's see if we continuously push. So I'm gonna let it breathe. Again, there's a lot of liquidity resting below. Right here. And I'll expect them to go for that aggressively. Everyone wants to ride the honeymoon of Trump winning. I think the sentiment was Trump is good for the economy. So I can see everyone trying to ride that wave. And they'll have more emphasis on buys. And the market is going to go back and forth. This is what I feel in terms of sentiment. Okay. Let me just honor my rules of taking something off at 40 contracts. 40-point move. All right. So I took something off there. 3 contracts. It's doing too much dancing around that level. I don't like it. All this dancing is doing around this green line. Not a fan. So I took 3 contracts off. This could come all the way back and knock me out. We'll see. But they give me that 40-point run that I typically look for. So from here to here, 40-point move. decent. I might even fully close this one out. Let's just see. Give it some more time to breathe. Palazzo, please stop. Come here, buddy. Guys, you won't understand. I have these blinds, and whenever whenever you see a dog, he just tries to freaking jump through the window, and he makes so much noise with the blinds. It's kind of irritating. Buddy, I know you're just a dog, but calm down. All right, you're disturbing the peace. If I don't even care for this whole move. So okay, what I'm doing, if it hits its target, I don't care. I'm putting my stop loss right here. Bam. You're not a fan of the way it's dancing its 5 minute fair value gap. This could continue momentum higher. So cognizant of both sides. It might be a monstrous day. Who knows? Yeah. The way it stands, just looks like someone wants to push higher. Because I want to push. I'm just gonna get up fully. I just don't care to hold this. Bam. Anyways, so that was a decent 40-point move. And we'll see this could continue dropping lower. All right. We saw me cash the buys, cash the sells. So I'm not gonna sit here and stress myself. Um, at all. Buddy, come here, buddy. Crazy boy.